Hello friends, how are you all? I hope you all are doing well. I have a breaking news for you all. Canada is known for its welcoming immigration policies, but in June 2025, a new bill is changing the conversation. It's called Bill C-2, also known as the Strong Borders Act, which is introduced by the Public Safety Minister. This legislation is making headlines across the country. But what does it really mean for refugees, international students, and our border security? And why so many Canadians, from politicians to human groups, really are raising concerns? In this video, we'll break down what Bill C-2 proposes, why it matters, and what it could mean for the future of immigration in Canada. The Bill C-2 was introduced by the Public Safety Minister on June 3, 2025, which aims to overhaul the aspects of the immigration and asylum systems. The bill has sparked significant debate due to its potential impact on refugee protections and border enforcement. What are the key provisions of Bill C-2? Restricting access to refugee hearings. The bill proposes denying refugee hearings to certain asylum seekers, particularly those who have been in Canada for over a year or who delayed filing claims after entering from the U.S. Instead, these individuals would need to undergo a pre-removal risk assessment, which has a lower approval rate compared to full refugee hearings. Whosoever was in Canada, such as the international students or the temporary foreign workers who were looking out for the easy way to apply for their refugee claims, are now unable to apply for their refugee claims. The Canadian immigration is going to get this bill passed, and it will be nearly impossible for them to stay in Canada under these conditions. Second is enhanced the border enforcement powers. The legislation seeks to expand the powers of the Canadian Coast Guard, increase intelligence sharing with U.S. agencies, and allow law enforcement and Canada Post to inspect mails. The third is cancellation of immigration documents. Under the proposed bill, the government would have the authority to suspend, cancel, or amend any immigration documents and applications in the public interest, which means if you have submitted your permanent residency application, then IRCC has the authority to either suspend your application, cancel it at any time, or they can amend your immigration documents as per their choice. So which means that you need to apply for your permanent residency as soon as possible. You will need to find out for all the pathways that are available for you to apply for permanent residency, since when this bill is going to pass, then there is going to be more restrictions on the asylum cases as well as over the border, and IASCC will have the authority to either cancel your application, amend it, or suspend it. So it is better to apply for your permanent residency as soon as possible. The bill is currently under review, and it must pass several legislative stages, including the readings in the House of Commons and the Senate, before it can become a law. If you have any questions regarding the Bill C-2, feel free to ask us down in the comment, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my page. Thank you so much.